Hello everyone. This is awkward. Well, that was awkward. Survived the killer never let me down. Everyone, thank you for the 7 subscribers, actually. It's actually pretty nice having 7 subscribers. I've been trying to make so many videos and not one of them were able to post. Until the Among Us video came out, I was like, finally! Here we go. What is going on, guys? You're seeing this, right? I don't care about the stupid code. I got the best thing. Use code, I forgot. I literally forgot the code. How'd I die? I see the fire was taken and turned into I'm not even gonna ask. I just want to go inside my house, and I left my keys at Papa Dia. Papa Dia is my uncle, and I call him Papa Dia. And I'm demon. And I'm also ready for Halloween. This is actually my normal daily this is my normal daily clothes for my Roblox person. I paid like $300 for all this stuff. Oh, I'll finally be able to get my clothes back. Oh, it's a naked person, I think. I don't know. I'm just gonna collect coins. This gets me thinking. You know how, so in this game, you were always like surviving the killer. How do you know if the killer's coming with this music? Yeah, it's good to have this music because then you know who the killer is. But it's also very stupid. Why, you might ask? If this was real, you wouldn't be hearing music from a killer. Nope. Why's everyone in the vents? The vents stink. This is my favorite area. And guys, if you subscribed, if you are subscribed, then look up Big Bubba 0121, become my friend. And also, I'll be playing this game a lot. Oh dear. I hear imposter. Oh wait, that's Among Us. Whatever. My room. Okay. Oh, hello. Hola, señor. Oh! Oh, look. A vent right there. And a vent right there. Okay. Moo la 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 la. Ooh la la la. It's ooh la la la. Ooh da 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 da. No person left behind. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. Oh, I was gonna leave that person behind. Nobody cares about that person. I'm joking. I got a little mad in Among Us, and I said, "Sign." And if I said, "Sign," if you are watching this, I hate you. I take that back, Cyan, whoever you were. I take that back. That video was like 10 minutes long, 12 minutes long. That was a long Among Us game. Plus, I can't make like 17-minute videos because I'm not verified. Hola, señor. I've been seen. I've been spotted. Spotted. I put jump scares on. Someone please help me. You foolish fools, I'm not gonna help you.